Myself, Purva Joshi, Assistant Professor at LG Institute of Engineering and Technology. Let's have a glance of what we are going to study in today's session. Firstly, we'll see Maclaurin series. Then we'll see few examples. Then we will see some standard Maclaurin series and also some examples. So let's begin with the first topic, that is Maclaurin series. So the Taylor series expansion of a function f(x) at e is equal to 0 is known as Maclaurin series. Now we know Taylor series expansion in powers of x minus a, which is f of x is equals to f of a plus x minus a upon 1 factorial f dash a plus x minus a whole square upon 2 factorial f double dash a and so on. This we have already studied, which is the Taylor series expansion in powers of x minus a. Now what we will do, we will substitute a is equal to 0 in this series. Okay, so we will get the Maclaurin series as f of x is equal to f of 0 plus x upon 1 factorial. Why? Because a is 0, right? So it will become x upon 1 factorial into f dash of 0 plus similarly we'll get x square upon 2 factorial f double dash 0 and so on. This is known as Maclaurin series. Okay, so now let's begin with the example. The first example we are going to study is obtain Maclaurin series of function f(x) is equal to sin x. So let's see its solution. The function given is sin x and it is asked that we have to find Maclaurin series. So we will take a is equal to 0, right? So first of all f of x, that is sin x, so its value at 0 is what? 0. Okay, next its derivative, that is f dash x. Okay, so again its value at 0 is 1. Find again its derivative, right? So derivative of cos x will be minus sin x. Again we have to find the value at 0 point. So minus of sin 0 will be 0. Then f triple dash of x, which is minus cos x. Okay, so again at 0 we will get answer minus 1 and so on we have to find this. Okay, now we will write the formula. So the formula of Maclaurin series is given by the formula f of x is equals to f of 0 plus x upon 1 factorial f dash 0 plus x square upon 2 factorial f double dash 0 and so on. Okay, so now what we will do, we will substitute the value of f of 0, f dash 0, f double dash 0 and so on. Okay, so the first term f of 0 was 0, so first term is 0. Next, x upon 1 factorial into we have 1 plus x square upon 2 factorial into 0 plus x cube upon 3 factorial into minus 1. Simplify it. Okay, so you will get sin x is equal to x upon 1 factorial minus x cube upon 3 factorial and so on. So this is the Maclaurin series of sin x. Okay, now let's see one more example, that is Maclaurin series of function f(x) is equal to cos hx. Now we know that what is cos hx? Cos hx is e raised to x plus e raised to minus x upon 2. So in this example what we will do, first we will find the Maclaurin series of e raised to x, then we will find Maclaurin series of e raised to minus x using e raised to x. Later we will add them and divide it by 2 to get the answer of cos hx. Okay, so firstly let's find the Maclaurin series of e raised to x. Now the function f(x) is what? E raised to x. Again Maclaurin series is asked, so we have to find at 0, right? So f of 0 will be 1. Next its derivative, so f dash x, that is e raised to x. So again its value at 0, that is 1. Next f double dash x, again e raised to x, value again 1. Okay, so similarly we have third derivative. Okay, now we'll find its Maclaurin series. Okay, so the formula for Maclaurin series is what? F of x is equal to f of 0 plus x upon 1 factorial f dash 0 and so on. Now what we will do, we will substitute the value. Okay, so f of x is equal to e raised to x, right? So f of 0, 1 plus x upon 1 factorial into 1, right? We have all the answers 1. So in place of f of 0, f dash 0, f double dash 0, everywhere we will write 1. Okay, and on simplification we will get e raised to x as 1 plus x upon 1 factorial plus x square upon 2 factorial plus x cube upon 3 factorial and so on. Now our next task is to find e raised to minus x using e raised to x. So what we will do, we will replace x by minus x. So on replacing we will get e raised to minus x, that is 1 minus x plus x square. It is plus. Why? Because we have x square, so minus will become plus. Okay, and then minus x cube upon 3 factorial and so on. This is our equation number 2. Now what we will do, we'll add them. So on adding equation and 1 and 2, we will get e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. Okay, both the series are presented here. Just add them. You can see that x upon 1 factorial will get cancelled, x cube upon 3 factorial will get cancelled, and on simplification you will get 2 into 1 plus x square upon 2 factorial plus x raised to 4 upon 4 factorial and so on. Now the last task is what? We have to divide it by 2. So on dividing by 2, we'll get cos hx, right? So cos hx is what? E raised to x plus e raised to minus x upon 2. So 2 will get cancelled and the final answer is 1 plus x square upon 2 factorial plus x raised to 4 upon 4 factorial and so on. You can also find cos hx using derivative formula, right? Simply find the derivative of cos hx and find its value at 0. You can solve that way also and this way also. Okay, now let's see some standard Maclaurin series. So some standard Maclaurin series are presented here. The first one is sin x, which we have already studied. Okay, then next one is cos x. You can find this Maclaurin series of cos x by taking function fx is equal to cos x and the value at 0 point. So you will get this series. Next we can find the series of e raised to x. This we have already solved. Okay, e raised to minus x we have already solved. Next cos hx also. Similarly, you can find a series of sin hx, right, by using this formula, that is e raised to x minus e raised to minus x upon 2. Okay, also you can find the Maclaurin series of tan x, then 1 upon 1 plus x, then 1 upon 1 minus x and 1 plus x raised to n, which is known as the binomial series, and this is very important series. So binomial series, that is 1 plus x raised to n, is given by 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 into x square upon 2 factorial plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 upon 3 factorial x cube and so on. This series we will use in a few more examples in the next session. Okay, now let's see the formation of graph using Maclaurin series. The first graph is a graph of sin x, okay, which is shown here, right? So by adding the term, we can see the graph of a sin x. Okay, similarly find the graph of a cos x function. Okay, here you can see the graph of cos x formed using Maclaurin series. Again, a graph of e raised to x formed using Maclaurin series. Then the graph of 1 upon 1 plus x. Okay, also we will see the graph of 1 upon 1 minus x and the graph of log 1 plus x base e. Okay, so these all the graphs are formed using Maclaurin series. Now let's see few more examples. The first example we'll study is obtain Maclaurin series of log 1 plus x base e. Okay, so whenever we have base e, it is known as natural logarithm, and we have to find the series expansion of log 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, and we have to find the value of log 11 upon 9. So firstly, what we will do in this example is we'll find the Maclaurin series of log 1 plus x, and using this we will find the Maclaurin series of log 1 minus x. Okay, and then we'll find the Maclaurin series of log 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. So let's begin with the solution. So function fx is equals to log 1 plus x. Okay, so we have to find its value at 0. So in place of x, substitute 0, right? So you will get f of 0 as 0. Next, find f dash x. So derivative of log x is what? 1 upon x. So here we have 1 upon 1 plus x. Again find its value at 0. So which is 1. Again find its derivative, right? So f double dash x is what? Minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square. Okay, again its value at 0 is what? Minus 1. Next, we have to find its third derivative, right? Which is 2 upon 1 plus x whole cube. Okay, and again we have to find the value at 0 point, which is 2. Okay, now we will substitute all this value in the Maclaurin series formula. So Maclaurin series formula is fx is equal to f of 0 plus x upon 1 factorial f dash 0 plus x square upon 2 factorial f double dash 0 and so on. Now our task is to substitute the value of f of 0, f dash 0, f double dash 0 and so on. So we get the answer log 1 plus x is equal to x upon 1 factorial, first term was 0, right? So x upon 1 factorial plus x square upon 2 factorial into minus 1 plus x cube upon 3 factorial into 2 plus 1. Okay, now on simplification we get log 1 plus x is equal to x minus x square upon 2 plus x cube upon 3 and so on. Now we have to find the Maclaurin series of log 1 minus x, but we will not find its derivative. We will write down directly by substituting x by minus x. Okay, so replace just x by minus x, so you will get the Maclaurin series of log 1 minus x, which is minus x square upon 2 minus x cube upon 3 and so on. Okay, now our aim is to find log 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. Okay, now we know the formula of log a upon b, that is log a minus log b. So apply that formula. So here you will get log 1 plus x minus log 1 minus x. Okay, so now substitute both the series. Okay, so log 1 plus x upon 1 minus x is equals to, on putting both the series, and we have to subtract them. Okay, so subtract them and simplify. So you will get log 1 plus x upon 1 minus x as 2x plus 2x cube upon 3 and so on. Okay, now our next aim is to find log 11 upon 9. Okay, so for that we have to suppose x. So here we will suppose x is equal to 1 upon 10. Okay, so everywhere in the above equation we have to substitute x is equal to 1 upon 10. So we will get log 1 plus 1 upon 10 upon 1 minus 1 upon 10. Okay, and on simplification you will get here log 11 upon 9 equals to 2 into, wherever on the right hand side also in place of x we have to write 1 upon 10 and just simplify it using calculator. So you will get the answer of log 11 upon 9 as 0.2006, which is the approximate answer. You can verify this answer in calculator by substituting ln of 11 upon 9. So you will get this answer. Okay, next we'll see another example, that is the Maclaurin series of a function fx is equals to log sec x. Okay, so your function fx is what? Log sec x, and the Maclaurin series is asked. So we have to find the value at 0. So firstly f of 0, that is log sec 0. So answer is 0. Next is derivative. So f dash of x, that is a derivative of log sec x. Here we have to apply chain rule. Okay, so it is 1 upon sec x into sec x tan x. On simplification you will get tan x. Again its value at 0 is what? 0. Now to simplify it further, we will write in terms of fx function. Okay, so the next derivative. So the derivative of tan x function is what? Sec square x. We can write sec square x as 1 plus tan square x, but we know this tan x is what? F dash x. So in place of tan x we will write f dash x. So here you will get 1 plus f dash of x whole square, right? Now we have to find its value at 0. Okay, so f double dash of 0. So it will become 1 plus f dash of 0 whole square, but we know the value of f dash of 0 is 0, right? So we will get f double dash of 0 as 1. Now we have to find its derivative, again derivative, so f triple dash x. Okay, so now the derivative of 1 is 0, and to find the derivative of f dash whole square we have to apply chain rule, right? So firstly it will become 2f dash of x into f double dash of x. Okay, and then we have to find its value at 0 point. So we will get answer 0. Why? Because f dash of 0 is 0. So 0 into 1, you will get answer 0. Now next we have to find again derivative. Now to find the derivative, here we have to apply the multiplication rule in this third derivative. Okay, so 2 we will kept as it is, and we will apply the multiplication rule in f dash x and f double dash x. Okay, so firstly f double dash x is kept as it is, and derivative of f dash x was f double dash x, plus f dash x kept as it is, and derivative of f double dash x is f triple dash x. Just simplify it. So you will get 2 into f double dash whole square plus f dash x into f triple dash x. Okay, now we have to find its value at 0 point. Okay, so everywhere in place of x you have to write 0, and from the previous values, that is f double dash of 0, that is 1, f dash of 0, we have 0. So on simplification you will get 2 into 1 plus 0. Okay, so that is 2. Next we have to find again derivative similarly using chain rule and multiplication rule. So the fifth derivative answer is 0, and the sixth derivative answer is 16. Okay, now let's find the Maclaurin series. So Maclaurin series formula is given by f of x is equal to f of 0 plus x upon 1 factorial f dash 0 plus x square upon 2 factorial f double dash 0 and so on. So what we have to do, we have to substitute the value of f of 0, f dash 0, f double dash 0 and so on. Okay, so on substituting, you will get here 0 plus 0, first two terms were 0, right? Then x square upon 2 factorial into 1 plus again the next term was 0 plus x square upon 4 factorial into next term that was 2. Then again x raised to 6 upon 6 factorial into 16 and so on. Just simplify it, so you will get the Maclaurin series of log sec x, that is x square upon 2 plus x raised to 4 upon 12 plus x raised to 6 upon 45 and so on. Okay, so in today's video, we had studied Maclaurin series. Okay, so Maclaurin series formula is f of x is equal to f of 0 plus x upon 1 factorial into f dash 0 plus x square upon 2 factorial f double dash 0 and so on. Thank you for watching.